I'm Kevin.
And I'm Stacy. We're in the cottage today, and when we came in, there is a funk smell in here, and I'm not a big fan of weird smells, especially in my camper. So we've got to figure out how to fix this.
I think what it is, it smells like nasty gray water to me. It smells like gas to Stacy. However, I've got the gas tank shut off outside, and it's been so long, I think any gas in the lines would have dissipated by now. So either I've got a leak in my tank, or I just got funky smell down the sink. So what we're going to do today is we're actually going to use some Commando drop-ins, fill up the gray water tank to the top, let it sit for 24 hours, then drain it, and see if that takes the smell away. We've used the Commando drop-ins before in the black tank, and it's got a lot of enzyme action, so it eats away the stuff that gets on the sensors and whatnot. And so we're going to use it in the gray tank today to just really eat whatever's in there, because it really stinks in here, and we're hoping that that's going to take care of it. It's not really designed just to deodorize your gray tank, but that's what we're going to use it for. Okay, so this is really just a 3-step process. Step 1, we're going to put the packet down in the bottom of the sink. Take this out, set that packet right down in the center. The Commando drop-ins are pretty much like a Tide Pod. I don't recommend that teenagers eat the Commando pod. That would be probably pretty bad. So you just take it out. Normally you would set it in your toilet and then just flush it down in there. We're just going to set it down in the bottom of the sink. And we haven't unwinterized the camper yet and sanitized the system, so I'm just going to use a garden hose to spray over this as it disintegrates and let it all drain into the gray tank. I'm going to fill the gray tank up to the top.
So the cool thing about the Commando pods is that they are pods, which means that you don't have to mess with liquid, you don't have to mess with powder that's gonna get all over you, because it's contained in a little pod, and that's one of the things I like, so we don't have to get our hands in any kind of chemicals per se. We can just dump it right in.
So I'm going to take the garden hose, put it on the shower function, spray it on that little pod until it disintegrates and starts going into the hole, and then I'm going to keep spraying and fill it till the gray tank is full. So now we've got the tank filled up and we're on full. We're going to let this sit for 24 hours, and then we're going to drain the gray water, and then hopefully it won't be a Stinklefest anymore.
That is me taking a huge breath of fresh air. It smells great in here. So we were able to fix the issue that we were having with the smell in here. We just, as a recap, we use this command that you typically use in your black water tank, but we went ahead and left that in overnight and then flushed that out. And then we used, from the same folks, this lemonade that is a gray water deodorizer. We filled that up, we left the tank filled with this for a week, and now it is fantastic, no issues. So if you're having issues with your gray water tank, I suggest that you do that. Basically, if you're smelling something that doesn't smell good, try the command and then use that deodorizer. And honestly, I think I'm going to keep using this deodorizer as we use the cottage, and whenever we're just from now on. So for more videos like this and tips and tricks and things like that you can use with your camper, click on the video on the screen or go to our channel and check out our playlists. Also, if you found value in this video, please go ahead and give us a like and subscribe to our channel. As always, doing things yourself saves you money and allows you to be free. See you in the next video.